Did you know there's a natural remedy that can help you control your blood sugar, improve your digestion, strengthen your immune system, and even help you sleep better? And the best part is, you probably have access to it without even knowing. When we talk about mangoes, we all think of their sweet and delicious fruit, but what about their leaves? In many parts of the world, these leaves are simply thrown away, without knowing that they contain bioactive compounds that can greatly benefit our health. Mango leaves are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin A, which is essential for healthy skin, good eyesight, and a strong immune system. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage and strengthens our defenses. B vitamins, key for energy metabolism and a healthy nervous system. Minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and improve muscle function. And phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which act as powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Now let's take a closer look at what happens when we add mango leaf tea to our daily routine. First, it regulates blood sugar levels. Mango leaf tea has become a very effective natural way to regulate blood sugar levels, especially because of its mangiferin content, an antioxidant that has been shown to have positive effects on glucose control. This substance helps improve insulin sensitivity, which allows the body to use insulin more efficiently to process glucose, thus reducing blood sugar levels. In addition, mangiferin also decreases sugar absorption in the gut, which means less glucose enters the bloodstream after meals. This helps prevent sugar spikes, which are common after eating carbohydrate-rich foods. Studies have found that regular consumption of mango leaf extracts can reduce fasting sugar levels and improve the body's ability to respond to insulin, resulting in better glucose regulation throughout the day. This benefit makes mango leaf tea an excellent choice for those with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes, since by including it in their daily routine, along with a balanced diet and exercise, they could improve control of their sugar levels and decrease the need for medication. Overall, mango leaf tea not only helps control sugar, but also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can prevent long-term complications associated with diabetes. Improves digestion and relieves stomach problems. If you suffer from indigestion, gas, heartburn, or bloating, mango leaf tea might be the natural solution you've been looking for. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the stomach lining and improve the production of digestive enzymes. It also acts as a gentle natural laxative, helping to prevent constipation without causing irritation. It is also effective for treating mild intestinal infections and problems like diarrhea or gastritis. Strengthens the immune system and fights infections. Mango leaves contain a high level of antimicrobial and antioxidant compounds, which makes them effective in strengthening our natural defenses. Their vitamin C and flavonoid content helps increase the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting viruses, bacteria, and other threats to our body. Reduces inflammation and fights premature aging. Oxidative stress is one of the main causes of aging and chronic diseases. Mango leaves contain quercetin and mangiferin, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals, protecting our cells from damage and helping to prevent diseases like arthritis, Alzheimer's, and cardiovascular problems. Also, its anti-inflammatory effect helps relieve joint and muscle pain, making it ideal for people with inflammatory diseases like arthritis or rheumatism. A natural ally for asthma. Mango leaf tea is a powerful drink with anti-inflammatory, bronchodilating, and antioxidant properties that can be a big help for people who have asthma. Its natural compounds, like mangiferin and flavonoids, help reduce inflammation in the airways, allowing for better oxygen intake and easier breathing. Plus, it acts as a natural bronchodilator, helping to relax the muscles in the bronchial tubes and reducing that tight feeling in the chest. It promotes weight loss and detoxifies the body. If you're looking for a natural way to support your weight loss journey, mango leaf tea could be a great ally. Not only does it help improve digestion and the elimination of toxins, but it can also speed up your metabolism, which helps with fat burning. Plus, it has a mild diuretic effect, which means it helps get rid of water retention and bloating. It regulates blood pressure and protects the heart. The potassium and antioxidants in mango leaves help relax blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and improving circulation. This can lower the risk of heart disease, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. Also, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects protect the heart from bad cholesterol buildup, helping to keep arteries clean and healthy. Having a cup of this tea before bed can help you relax your mind, reduce stress, and wake up with more energy and mental clarity. Many people have experienced positive changes in their health after adding mango leaf tea to their daily routine. Some have noticed improvements in their digestion, others have managed to lower their blood sugar levels, and many say they feel more energetic. Let's get started. Making mango leaf tea is easier than you think, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a healthy drink full of benefits. So get comfy, take a deep breath, and get ready to enjoy this wonderful natural drink. Ingredients: 5 to 7 fresh or dried mango leaves, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters, honey or lemon, optional to improve the taste and boost its benefits. Instructions: choose the best leaves. Make sure the leaves are clean and in good condition. If they're fresh, wash them well to remove any dirt. If they're dried, just make sure they still have their aroma and color. Boil the water. In a pot or kettle, heat 1 cup of water until it starts to boil. Perfect brew. Add the mango leaves to the boiling water, lower the heat, and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the leaves to release all their beneficial compounds. Magic rest. Turn off the heat and let the tea steep for about 5 more minutes. This will intensify its flavor and medicinal properties. Strain and sweeten to your liking. Strain the tea to remove the leaves and pour it into your favorite cup. If you like, add honey for a touch of sweetness or a few drops of lemon to boost its antioxidant effect. How to enjoy it. Drink this tea hot in the morning to start your day with energy, or in the evening to relax before bed. If you prefer a refreshing version, you can let it cool and drink it with ice as a delicious iced tea. Are you ready to give this natural treasure a try? Now that you know all these benefits, tell me, have you ever thought about drinking mango leaf tea? Which of these benefits did you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments. If you love natural remedies and are looking for new ways to improve your well-being with the power of nature, don't miss this video where you'll discover the incredible power of lavender to help you sleep better and wake up completely refreshed. Click and discover how to transform your nights into truly restful sleep. See you there.